I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Thursday, May 1st. Soybeans are mixed, mostly firm in the early going, essentially following the lead of the mixed, mostly firm start for soybean oil. Export sales were up on the week, led by new demand from China. Corn is modestly higher, essentially seeing follow-through buying from Wednesday's higher finish, watching the U.S. planting pace, which looks generally favorable in much of the Midwest and Plains over the next several days. There is a drier pattern on tap for parts of the Corn Belt starting next week. Corn export sales were down in the week, but the overall pace continues to be solid. Wheat's mixed, mostly lower. Recent rainfall has been beneficial to U.S. hard red winter wheat in the southern U.S. plains. And while there is some concern about excessively wet conditions for soft red winter in the eastern Midwest and Delta, overall that recharged soil moisture is expected to be beneficial for long-term development. And the recent rainfall has also helped with spring wheat planting in parts of the northern U.S. plains. Live and feeder cattle are higher, waiting for the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business. That follows some light but sharply higher than a week ago direct trade reported on Wednesday afternoon in some of the major U.S. feeding areas. And hogs are mixed. Pork export sales were up on the week, but there are a lot of questions about sustained domestic and export demand. And in any event, China did not buy any U.S. pork last week. Demand signals, in other words, continue to be conflicting. With the opening market minute for Thursday, May 1st, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.